Dydw i ddim yn aml yn recordio neges fideo, ond dwi eisiau diolch I chi yn bersonol am yr NSS. I don't often record a message on video, but I wanted to thank you personally for your contribution to our NSS success. Like me, I'm sure that you're delighted with the news that Aberystwyth is the best in Wales and one of the top 5 higher education institutes in the UK when it comes to overall student satisfaction. These are headlines we can all be proud of, but beneath the big banner messages there are areas of excellence. To pick just one, achieving second place for the whole of the United Kingdom for the quality of our assessment and feedback to students demonstrates your commitment, because we all know it's the hardest measure to score well in. We have departments, degree schemes and subjects which rank with the very best across the UK, and which show how, in the supportive, caring community that is Aber, we strive to nurture the curious and creative and develop informed and independent minds. So may I thank you all, staff and students alike, for your hard work and dedication over the past 12 months. Not only because of the latest NSS results, but across the scope of what we do as an innovative, research-led, diverse university. And of course, we don't rest on our laurels. We will use the comments we receive through the NSS as we use all feedback from our students to make an exceptional experience even better. Because students, after all, are at the heart of everything we do. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr I chi gyd.